Well, hello there, everybody. This is Reverend Wilson with the Mail Money Secrets. Oh my gosh, all I can say is OMG. My wife Cass and I, we've been building this postcard kind of like incognito for the past year and a half. And these $100 payments are coming in like crazy just from this postcard. And the powerful thing is the phone number on the postcard does all the selling and telling for you. You can actually pick up your phone right now and call 267 833 0592. Listen to the money potential. Listen to the money potential. And I'm in my jammies. It's in the morning. I'm getting some postcards ready to go out. They're jumbo postcards. I'm going to actually show you the product as well. But they're jumbo postcards that do not get missed. $100 payments. $100 payments paid right to you. This is the big one, and you don't want to miss this. You could receive thousands in just a few days, folks, of mailing this postcard. This thing is powerful. It's huge. It cannot be missed. Now, let me say this. Another thing that I like about this postcard is your name is the only name that appears on the card. What does that mean for you? That means that all the $100 payments come straight to you. And another powerful thing is the admin fulfillment center fulfills all your orders for you. You basically send them $10 and they mail everything for you. And here's the actual book that every person in direct mail should have called Mail Money Secrets. Mail Money Secrets. This is the pro- excuse me, the physical product that you receive right here. I'm going to read the back. I'm going to read the back of the book for you here, okay? While you look at the front, I'm going to read the back. How to make millions in direct mail marketing. How to make millions in direct mail marketing. By reading and implementing what you learned in this book, your entire life is going to change. This book contains the knowledge of testing, failing, and then winning in direct mail marketing. The secrets of direct mail marketing are in this easy to read book. Before you read on through, you should know that 95% of people in the direct mail industry will never learn all of the strategies taught in this book. 95% of people in the direct mail industry will just keep doing the same things that fail over and over again in direct mail marketing. I used to be one of those people, folks. 95% of people in direct mail industry will continue to go to a job they hate for the next 10 to 40 years and never live the life of their dreams. Only 5% of people in the entire direct mail industry will get a chance to read this book and take the advice, implement the strategies to make a 6 or 7 figure income in direct mail marketing. Will you be one of the 5%? This book, folks, is absolutely powerful. And everybody in direct mail should have this book. Everybody. We got chapter 5 here. Talks about multiple streams of income. I mean, let's go through the table of contents here. This book is powerful. Here's the table of contents. Can you see that right there? There's the table of contents. This is a physical product, folks, that you are receiving and that you will be providing to so many people out there in the direct mail industry. So if you can just mail a postcard, here's one of the company postcards you're looking at on the screen right here. Mail Money Secrets. 100% automated system. Why is that? Because the phone number does all the work, does all the selling, does all the telling for you. 100% cash payments. Not a money order, not a cashier's check, but you are receiving cash. Okay? No computer needed. No selling required. No setup required. And no fulfillment. You don't have to fulfill any orders. When people send in their $100 to you, you are just going to send $10 to admin. All that information and their address, phone number will be in your marketing kit when you receive it. You keep $90 and you make unlimited, unlimited money to your mailbox. You can literally turn your mailbox into your own ATM. Now, I want to welcome Derek, who's come on board. I want to welcome John, who's come on board. I want to welcome Susanna, who's come on board. I want to welcome, I think it's Francisco, who's come on board. Folks, this thing is hot. And for just a one-time $100 payment, you can receive unlimited $100 payments. And on the back end, this is where it gets juicy. On the back end, there's big ticket. On the back end, you have the potential to earn between $1,000 and $9,000 on the back end. And all that is covered in the Mail Money Secrets book. Look at this, folks. Like I said, this is the product right here. This is you don't just get no flyer, no junk paper. This is a physical book. I've read it from cover to cover, and it is amazing. I mean, the information in this book, folks, you can implement right away. Right away. Here's chapter 2. Learn first, then make money. I mean, just amazing. Let's see here. Chapter 3 covers creating a list. Chapter 4, selling to your customer list. I mean, everything in here, folks, is absolutely powerful. And then that second stream in the back end money is covered right here. It's covered right here on the MMS Club. That's going to be covered right here in the book. Okay, so here it is right here. Mail Money Secrets. You can get yours today. Now, when I say today, you can get started today. You'll get it in about 4 or 5 days in the mail. Folks, you can get this activated right now through Cash App. No waiting for the mail. You can just send your $100 through the Cash App, $ Pastor Andre Wilson. Pastor Andre Wilson. And I will have that in the description of the video. And all you want to do is when you send that, you're going to want to text me at 330 949-4259. That's actually my cell phone number that you can call me on as well. And text me your full name and address that you want on your postcard. And there you go. I'll send all that information to the fulfillment center, and you get your package, you get your book, you get everything you need to begin to start receiving these $100 payments. I look forward to working with you. It's pretty cool to work in your pajamas. Folks, this is all that my wife and I do. We don't have an outside job, okay? We are not novice at this. We have been in the direct mail industry making six figures for the past 10 years, and we are helping others to do the very same thing. All right? So there you have it right there. There's the book right there, Mail Money Secrets. I love the fact that it is a physical product that you can learn. Knowledge is power. You know, the Bible says, my people perish because of a lack of knowledge. You need knowledge. And the knowledge that you receive in this book can make you a millionaire. Let me say it again. The knowledge that you receive in this book can make you a millionaire. Now, the question is, are you going to be that 5%? Or are you going to stay in the 95% failure club? 95% failure club. I don't want to be in the 95% failure club. I want to be in the 5% success club. Mail Money Secrets. Here's the powerful jumbo postcard that our team is mailing right here. And if you can mail a postcard, you can win. And you can win big. I'm talking about thousands of dollars in $100 payments coming straight to you. All the information that you need to get your hands on this powerful direct mail breaking book, Mail Money Secrets, is in the description of the video. Like I said, for faster service, you can just send your $100 payment via the Cash App, $ Pastor Andre Wilson. Yes, I am a pastor, I am a minister, and I believe in showing people how they can break free financially and not be a slave to the job and simply living just to pay bills. There is more to life than just going to work every day, coming home, doing the very same thing, get up the next day, do the very same thing, come home, get up in the morning, do the very same thing, and still struggle, still live paycheck to paycheck. There's a better life. There's a better life for you. And we're actually showing people also how to make residual income. Residual income. And that link will be in the description too. If you want to come partner with us with the number one, not just number one, but America's number one residual income system, where with this system, we're teaching our team how to make 10K a month residually. We have the plan, we have the strategy, we have the steps. God bless you.